Delen, pass it to Deo. Deo, 10 seconds shot clock. Taol. Short. Sepe has the ball. 1 minute and 52 seconds left for our first quarter. Sepe goes for the inside for the layup. It counts. Foul number 10. Our score is 38. Sepe on the paint. Goes for the 2 free throw shots. First one is good and counts. 1 minute and 46 seconds for our first quarter. Orange team back into ball possession. Delen has the ball on the defense. Pink team. Deo, pass it to Ayubo, pass it to Delen for the shot, almost making it. Back again to Delen for the offense. Taol has the ball. Taol going for the shot and almost making it. Intercept by Tauson. Tauson has the ball. Tauson going for it. Goes to Deo. Deo for the attempt and almost making the 3 points. Rebound again back to Delen. And goes for the shot. Gets a foul. Foul number 7. Second personal foul for jersey number 7. Shot clock 14 seconds. Time 1 minute and 3 seconds for our first quarter. First attempt. No good. Second attempt. On the paint. Taol. Almost making it, rebound by Deo. And substitution. Soriano out, Enriquez in. Ball. 14-8. Orange team back to Boldeo for the layup. Almost making it. BM for the rebound. Soriano. Soriano has the ball. Soriano goes past to Denver. Denver for the attempt. Pass it to Enriquez from the inside. Goes inside Soriano. Gets a foul and it counts. Foul number 30. 43 seconds left on our first quarter. For the bonus shot. Soriano makes it. Orange team back to ball possession. Goes to Ayubo. Ayubo to Delen. Delen has the ball with 35 seconds game clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Deo almost making it. Rebound by GM. Gets it by Denver. 20 seconds game clock. Pass it to Soriano again. Did not make it from the inside. Forcing it. Makes it. 10 seconds game clock. 8. Tauson for the attempt. Almost making it short. Rebound yet by Taol. Making it 7. That concludes our first quarter with our score of 2026 Sports Fest. Deo for the inbound. Here's number 27. Back to Deo. Deo for the shot. Makes it. 10-19. Enriquez has the ball. Pass it back to Denver. Denver has the ball. Denver pass it to Soriano. Soriano goes back to Denver. On the defense, orange team. Soriano did not make it. Rebound by Sepe. Pass it to 18. Pass it to Soriano from the inside. It's a traveling violation. It's one step too many. Turnover. Back to orange team.
Out of bounds, Ted.
Levardo, 27, goes for the pass. Pink ball, back to pink ball. Denver has the ball on the offense, pink team. Intercepted by Garcia. Intercepted by Denver. Ball possession back to Sepe. Sepe underneath from the side. Denver did not make it. Rebound by Deo. Deo on the offense. Pass it to Levardo. Intercepted by jersey number 18. Denver for the attempt. Denver, 3 points. Our score is 22-10. Ball possession now back to orange team. Garcia pass to Deo. Deo, 3 points. It's a back-to-back 3 points by both teams. 13-22. Enriquez has the ball. Defense back to orange team. Pink team. Intercepted. Deo has the ball. Deo going for the run. Goes for the easy layup. Makes it. Deo scores. Our score now is 22-15. Denver has the ball. Denver passes to Soriano. 10 seconds shot clock. Soriano goes for the attempt. Goes for the pass from the inside. It's Sepe. 24-15. Ayubo has the ball on the offense. Orange team. Defense, pink. Deo has the ball. Deo turning around. Deo passing it to Ayubo. Ayubo to Garcia. Garcia almost making it. Rebound by Delen. Pass it to Ayubo from the center. Makes it. Our score 24-17. Denver pass it from the side to Soriano. From the side, get it back again. Intercepted by Garcia. Deo has the ball. Deo goes for the attack for the side. Did not make it. Rebound by Sepe. Sepe has the ball. Defense by orange team. Sepe going for it. Easy layup. 26-17. Intercepted by Enriquez, being defended by Ayubo. Enriquez goes for the drive from the sides, almost making it, and balls out. Same ball. 14 seconds, shot clock. Orange team. Our score. Okay. Ball possession back to pink team. Soriano.
Jekyll sila, Je. Baba ka dito.
Soriano has the ball. Soriano back to Enriquez. 3 second shot clock. Almost. And it's good. Foul. Goes to Garcia. 28-17 is our score. Garcia into ball possession for the attempt. Almost making it. Sepe on the run. Sepe looking for the free man. Will he try it? Pass it to on the sides. Lagahino off. Traveling violation. Turnover by pink team. Back into ball possession. Orange team. Garcia back to Levardo. Levardo from the center goes for the easy layup. Did not make it. Goes foul. Makes it. Our score 28-19. Enriquez has the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Pass it to Lagahino. Pass it to Sepe. Sepe attempting. Sepe pass it again. Oh, it's a traveling violation. Taol for the inbound. Garcia. Garcia has the ball. Going for the from the center. Up. Gets a foul. Up. Red.
Balta mo, balta mo.
Jersey number 18. Let's go. 2 shots, ball possession. Anspro. First warning for Anspro. 2 shots for orange team.
Rondo.
Did not make it. Still ball possession back to orange team. Ball possession back to jersey number 27, Lagahino. Garcia almost making the 3 points. Rebound by Sepe. Yes, intercepted by Tauson from the side. Tauson almost making it. Rebound again by Tyson for the attempt. Makes it. Tauson, 28-21. Lagahino. Lagahino on the side, sidestepping from the center. Makes it and gets a foul. Foul number 21. First foul. Lagahino did not make it. Rebound back to Pink Team. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by orange team. Deo. Substitution number 7 back to the ball game. 21 seconds, shot clock. Deo has the ball. Deo for the attempt. Sidestep goes to Garcia. Garcia to Tauson. Oh, almost making it. Garcia, pass to Tauson. Tauson for the attempt. Intercept by Soriano. Soriano 7 has the ball. Soriano going for it. Goes from the side. Pass it to Soriano 2. Mix it. 32-21. Garcia has the ball. Orange team on the offense right now. Pass it to Deo. Deo from the sides. Pass it back again to 27. Pass it to Garcia. Garcia for the attempt. Almost making it. Back again to Garcia. Garcia. Pass it to Tauson. Tauson. 9 seconds shot clock. And almost making it. Rebound by Sepe. Sepe has the ball. Defense by Paul. Substitution. 13. Foul. First foul on jersey number 13. Substitution. Pasok. Ball possession back to pink team. 16 seconds shot clock. 32-21. Lagahino for the shot. Short. Back to orange team. Ayubo for the easy layup. Almost making it. Ayubo again. Yes, Ayubo makes it. 32-23. Soriano has the ball. Defense by orange team. Garcia for the defense. Sepe. Pass it to VM from the side. Short. Oh, rebound by Taol. Taol has the ball. Going for the run to Tauson. Tauson for the easy layup. Makes it. Makes it. 32-25. Ball possession back to pink team. Sepe. Sepe has the ball. Sepe passes from the inside. VM from the outside. Soriano goes for the attack. Pass it again to Soriano. Intercepted by Garcia. Garcia has the ball. Goes for the pass from the side. Delen. Pink team. Our score is 32-27. And back to the ball game. Soriano going for the three. Did not make it. Rebound by Ayubo. Ayubo has the ball. Going for the run. Going from the side, from the middle. Almost making it. Rebound back to Soriano. Pass it to VM. VM from the side. Makes it. Ball possession back to Orange team. Garcia. Garcia has the ball. Garcia going for it, going for the pass. Intercepted by VM. Jersey number 2, Soriano back into ball possession. Soriano has the ball being defended from the side. Pass it to Enriquez. Did not make it.
Sub.
Foul. Number 8, substitution. Denver in. Enriquez out. Ball possession back to Orange team. Time left para sa ating second quarter is 1 minute and 9 seconds.
Bola, pare.
Delen. Yes. Warning on jersey number 8. Continues complaining.
Ready?
Ready for the ball. Ayubo. Pass it to Delen. Delen has the ball. Delen pass it again. Delen for the shot. Almost making it. Rebound by Sepe. Sepe has the ball. 50 seconds. Game time. For the layup. Easy layup. Makes it. 45 seconds for our game clock. Garcia. Garcia pass it to Delen for the easy layup. No, it's Ayubo. Ayubo. Our score is 36-29. 30 seconds remaining on our game clock with 16 seconds shot clock. Defense by Orange team. On the attack, Denver. Up. Gets a foul. Number 2. Foul. 19 seconds left for our second quarter.
Hindi ako nagmumura.
Ayubo pass it to Delen. Delen has the ball. Delen. 10 seconds. Game clock. Goes to Tau. Almost making it. Soriano. 2 seconds. 1 second. Change court. Denver. Pass it to Enriquez. Enriquez pass it to Soriano. Soriano going for the attempt and foul. 30. Second personal foul. Shot clock at 18 seconds. Back to Sepe. Sepe from the sides. Pass it to intercepted by Orange team. Delen. Oh. Soriano has the ball. Back to Denver. Defense by Orange team. Pass it again to Sepe from the middle. Intercepted by Orange team. Oh, gets it back again to Soriano for that. Did not make it. Gets again by Enriquez. Goes from the inside. From the side. Did not make it. Rebound by Sepe. Back to Orange team. Ayubo. Ayuba goes to Tauson. Tauson for the layup. Makes it. Our score is 39-31. Denver has the ball. Pass it to jersey number 2, Soriano. From the side, Enriquez. Short. Ball possession back to Orange team. Taol. Back to Ayubo. Ayubo to Delen. Delen has the ball to Tauson. Tauson for the attempt. Short. Soriano for the receiving. Soriano has the ball. Goes for the attempt. Goes for the left and gets a foul. Foul number 21. Second personal foul. On the paint, Soriano, jersey number 2. First attempt. Did not make it. Second attempt. Did not make it again. Rebound back to orange team. Tauson. Tauson has the ball. Pass it again to Taol. Taol goes from the inside, from the side, makes it. Our score is 39-33. Denver has the ball going for the run. Intercepted by Deo. Deo back to Taol. Taol going for the shot. Goes for the pass. What a good pass. And gets a foul. Foul number 7. Ayubo. Third foul, jersey number 7. Simon in. Substitution. Enriquez out.
Paano mo maglalaro niya, kuya?
From the paint. First attempt did not make it. Ayubo for the second attempt. Ayubo. Almost making it. Rebound by VM.
Kapit,
And
kapit din.
gets a foul. Number 10. Second. For the inbound, Sepe back to Denver. Defense by orange team. Denver back to Sepe. Sepe for the attempt. Looking for it. Did not make it. Rebound.
Number 10.
Foul number 10. Third personal foul. Substitution. Third personal foul on jersey number 10. On the paint. Sepe. Sorry. From the inbound, Soriano. Pass it to Sepe. 10-second shot clock. Sepe from the inside. Sepe goes from the side, from the center. It's good. Our score is 41-33. Ball possession. Back again to orange team. Tauson. Tauson to Delen. Delen for the shot. Almost making it. Rebound by Sepe. Pass it to Soriano. Soriano almost losing the ball. Soriano pass it to Denver. Denver for the attack. No. For the attempt. Goes for the shot. Goes for the pass. Soriano from the inside. Turn around. Makes it. Our score is 43-33. Ayubo has the ball. Ball possession back to orange team. 8 seconds. Violation.
Hindi, Kobe tribute yun. Medyo na late lang ng ilang years.
Ball possession back to pink team. 43-33. Denver. Pass it to Soriano.
Ito, 24 seconds.
Soriano has the ball. 10-second shot clock, Denver. Short. Rebound by... Ball possession back to orange team. Garcia to Delen. Delen has the ball. Pass it to Ayubo. Ayubo from the side. Almost making the three. Garcia. Pass it to from the inside. Taol makes it. 43-35. Denver. Back to Soriano. Soriano pass it to Soriano 7. Soriano pass it to Soriano 2. With a 10 seconds shot clock. Pass it to Denver. From the side. Denver goes from the attempt. From the inside, Sepe. 3-second shot clock. Sepe makes it. 45-35. Garcia. Garcia has the ball. Garcia pass it to Tauson. Tauson looking for the free man. Pass it again to Taol. 10 seconds. Shot clock. Taol goes from the attack from the middle. Turn around. Almost making it. Save again by almost Soriano. Soriano has the ball. Going from the drive. From the middle. Makes it. 47-35. Ball possession back to Orange team. Belen. Belen has the ball. Belen goes for the pass. Tauson. Almost making it. Rebound to Soriano. Soriano has the ball. Soriano pass it to Soriano 7 for the attempt. Almost making it. Rebound by Garcia. Garcia to Tauson. Tauson going for the sides and makes a foul and it counts. 47-37. Timeout, Orange team. Makes it. It's a 3-point play from Tauson. 47-38. Ball possession now back to pink team. Soriano has the ball. Soriano going for the attack. Pass it to VM. VM for the shot. Almost making it. Rebound by Deo. Orange team back with ball possession. Deo has the ball. Deo goes for the shot off. Goes for the pass. Garcia. Garcia back to Levardo for the 3. Makes it. Levardo, 3 points. Our score is 47-41. Pass it to Soriano. Soriano for the attempt. Short. Deo back into ball possession. Tauson going for the side. Deo again back to Deo from the middle. Makes it. Our score is 47-43. 47-43 with a 4-point deficit. Denver has the ball. Denver goes for the shot. Almost making it. Rebound. Back again to Tauson. Tauson on the side. Gets it. Sepe has the ball. Back to Denver. Denver has the ball. Pass it to Enriquez. Enriquez going for the side, goes for the middle, goes for the pass for jersey number 18 and makes it. 49-45. Tauson. Tauson has the ball. Back to Deo. Tauson to Garcia. Garcia for the attempt. Almost making it. Rebound by Garcia. Goes to Garcia 36. And makes it. Garcia 36. 49-47. Ball possession back to pink team. Denver. Back to jersey number 18. Goes for the steps. Goes for the run. Did not make it. Rebound. Rebound by Deo. Pass it to Tauson for the easy layup. Almost makes it. Tauson. Our score is 49-all. Our first deadlock para sa ating third quarter. 49-all. Denver has the ball with our minutes remaining. Enriquez. Enriquez has the ball. Enriquez going for the shot. Did not make it. Rebound by Tauson. Pass it to Garcia. Intercept Garcia. Ball possession back to Orange team. Back to Deo. Deo from the side. 1 minute and 57 seconds. Levardo. Levardo. 3 points. Change favor now. 49-52. 52 in favor of Orange team. Jersey number 8. Enriquez pass it to Denver. Denver has the ball. Pass it to Enriquez. Enriquez from the side. Goes for the shot. Did not make it. Rebound by Tauson. Tauson in.
Nalobat ako, nalobat.
Tap.
Jess, tingnan mo yung zone. Laban na, lumabas ka na. Yan, sige.
Short.
Okay lang.
Substitution. Nalobat. Station na po. Our score is 49-52 in favor now of Orange team with 1 minute and 12 seconds left para sa ating third quarter. Enriquez. Enriquez back to Sepe. Sepe goes for the run, goes for that and makes it.
Assist lang, assist lang.
51-52. Ball possession now back to orange team. Garcia 36. Garcia pass it to intercept. Soriano has the ball, going hard, going for the side. And basket counts. 46 seconds left para sa ating third quarter with our score 53-52. Only 1 point lead back to pink team. On the paint, Soriano for the bonus shot. Makes it 54-52. 40 seconds left, 15 seconds. Garcia almost making it. Sepe has the ball. Pass it to Soriano. Soriano makes it. 56-52 with 25 seconds remaining in our ball game. Lagahino makes it. Leonardo, 3 points. Napakaganda na ating laban ngayon. 56-55. Sepe makes it. 8 seconds remaining in our ball game. Tauson from the side and there's a foul. Foul number 18 with 5.5 seconds. Kalma lang, 58-55. Tauson on the paint for the 2 free throws. First attempt, almost making it. Second attempt for Tauson. Tauson did not make it, almost. Rebound again. Yeah, Tauson makes it. And that concludes para sa ating third quarter. 58-50. Back to the ball game, fourth quarter. Ball possession. Orange team back to ball possession. Belen has the ball on the offense. Orange team. Garcia back to Belen. Traveling violation. Turnover. Pink team. Denver. Pass it to Enriquez. On the defense, orange team. Enriquez for the offense. Soriano back to 10 second shot clock. Denver has the ball. Being defended by Sepe. Sepe makes it. 60-57. Sepe has the ball. Sepe ball possession. Is steal by Belen to Tauson for the easy layup. Makes it. Our score is 60-59. Enriquez has the ball. Defense by orange team. Enriquez has the ball. Enriquez looking for the pin. Enriquez goes for the shot. Did not make it. Rebound by Belen. Steal by Sepe. Back to Soriano. Soriano for the attempt. Makes it. Our score is 62-59. Back to orange team. Dylan has the ball. Dylan on the offense. Dylan has the ball. Back to Tauson. Tauson to Garcia. For the shot. Garcia. 62-61. Back to the ball game. And ayan na po. Denver. Denver has the ball. Pass it to Enriquez. Enriquez. Pass it again to Soriano. 10 second shot clock. Soriano has the ball. 5 seconds shot clock. Goes for the shot. Did not make it. Short rebound by Soriano 7. Rebound by Tauson. Tauson has the ball. Going for it. Going for the shot. Goes for the side. Did not make it. Rebound by Sete. Back to Soriano. Soriano back to Denver. Denver to Soriano. Soriano for the attempt. Did not make it. Too short. Soriano back again. Did not make it. Rebound by Paol. Paol to Deo. Back to Soriano. Soriano for the side, from the sides. Did not make it. Rebound again to Deo. Deo to Tausol. Napaganda na lang Deo for the back. Deo almost making it. Rebound. Gets it back to Enriquez. Enriquez from the side. Goes for the shot. Did not make it in. Takes a foul. Foul number 8 Enriquez. 62-61. Third foul.
Sub.
Later. Back to Taol. 62-61. Taol, ball possession right now. Goes for the middle, goes for the pass. Tauson for the attempt. Tauson for the pass. Tauson Deo. Short. Rebound by Taol from the inside. Taol pass it to Delen. Delen tries it out from the side. Goes for the big, not make it up again. Back to Soriano. Goes to Denver. Denver has the ball. Denver going for the attack. Goes for the shot. Makes it. 64-61. Ball possession back to Orange team. Tauson. Tauson back to Delen. Delen back to Deo. Deo for the shot. Almost making the difference. Rebound by Garcia. Taol to Delen. Delen going for the P-man. Goes for the middle. Goes for the bump and blocks it by Sepe. Intercept. Gets it by Denver. Denver has the ball. Going for the drive. Going for the pass to Soriano. Easy shot. 66-61. Ball possession back to Orange team. Delen has the ball. Delen. Pass it to Taol. Taol looking for the shot. Taking it from the side. Goes for the shot. Makes it. Taol. 66-63. Denver has the ball. Defense by Orange team. On the offense, pink team back to Soriano. Soriano has the ball. Looking for the P-man. 10 seconds shot clock. Denver. Intercept. Goes to Sepe for the layup. Makes it. Sepe. 68-63. Ball possession back to Tauson. Tauson has the ball. Orange team. Tauson. Tauson has the ball. Tauson looking for the free man. Tauson, that's it. With the 10-second shot clock for the shot. Almost making it, but takes a foul. Foul number 8. Orange team. Ball game is also co-sponsored by APG Nurse Clinic, courtesy of Sir Alex Galang. Back to the ball game. Tauson on the paint for the 2 free throws. First attempt. Second attempt. No good. Intercepted. Gets by Soriano. Soriano has the ball. Looking for the free man. Defense by Orange team. Sepe on the attack. Goes for the middle. Goes for the shot. Almost making it. Saved by turnover. Back to Orange team. Still our score is 68-63. Back to Taol. Taol going for the drive. Taol for the side. Steal by Soriano. Soriano has the ball. Soriano going for it. Goes for the side with the 50 seconds. Goes for the middle. Almost making it. Rebound by Garcia. Garcia 36. Pass it to Tauson. Tauson has to go turn around. Goes for the shot. Makes it. Tauson 68-65. 3-point lead only by pink team. On the offense, Denver has the ball. Pass it to Soriano Dos. Pass it to VM. On the defense, pass it to Soriano. Pass it to Denver. Denver, it's a traveling violation. Turnover back to Orange team. Our score is 68-65. Only 3-point lead by the pink team. Orange team, 36 Garcia. 36 Garcia back to Taol. Taol has the ball. With the 30 seconds remaining, Taol. Garcia. Rebound by Denver. Denver on the attack. Denver from the side. Did not make it. Rebound. Denver again. Back from the rebound. Denver from the inside. Down underneath. Gets by Ayuno. Ayuno has the ball. Going for it. Goes for the center. Goes for the pass. Intercepted by Soriano. Soriano 7 has the ball. Soriano going for it. Goes for the easy layup. Makes it. 70-65. Ball possession back to Orange team. Garcia 36. Pass it again to Paul. Paul for the attempt. Almost making it. Rebound by BM. Sepe to Soriano. 15 seconds. Shot clock. With a score of 70-65. Only 5-point lead. 8 seconds shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Soriano for the attempt. Short. Rebound by Garcia. 2,000. 1,000 goes for the layup. Makes it. 70-67. Ball possession back to Pink team. Soriano has the ball. 15 second shot clock. Defense by Orange team. Pass it to Denver. Denver for the shot. Denver for the pass. Soriano from the inside from the shot. Makes it. 72-67. Alson has the ball. Alson to the turnaround. Alson goes for defense. Goes to Garcia. Garcia has the ball. Looking for the penman. With a 30-second shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Alson for the alley-oop. Goes from the inside. Yes! Taul makes it. 72-6. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 1 minute and 54 seconds left. 72-69. Ball possession back to Sepe. Sepe has the ball. Sepe going for it from the side. It's a shot. Makes it. 74-69. 1 minute and 39 seconds left. Alson almost making it. Soriano. Garcia. Garcia to Soriano.
Time.
10 seconds. Shot clock.
Time out daw sila.
30. Timeout. Orange team.
Time.
Ball possession back to Pink team. Soriano. 10 seconds. Shot clock. 5 seconds. Shot clock. Soriano for the attempt. Dave for the attempt. Denver 3 points. Ball possession back to Garcia. Garcia to Tauson. Tauson looking for the shot. Goes from the side and gets a foul. Number 8. 77-69. Third team foul. Tauson on the paint. 2 free throws. Almost making it. Tauson for the second shot. Tauson on the paint for the second attempt. Tauson din naman. Attack by Deo. Almost making it. And turnover. Back to Pink team. 58 seconds left para sa ating fourth quarter. Jersey number 2, Soriano. Soriano being defended back to BM. BM to Soriano. Top. Intercepted by Delen. Delen to Taul. Taul to Garcia. Garcia has the ball. Garcia. Pass it to Tauson. Tauson in the middle. Goes for the easy layup. Did not make it. Back to Taul. Makes it. 77-71. 35 seconds left. Intercept. Ball possession back to Danilo. Pink team.
Ano nintay mo?
Okay, back to the ball game. 34 seconds left. 77-71. Soriano has the ball. 30 seconds. Denver. 15 seconds. Denver pass it to Sepe from the inside. Pass it to BM. BM for the shot. Almost making it. Rebound. Gets it to Delen. Delen has the ball. Pass it to Tauson. Tauson from the layup from the side. Gets it. Dale. Denver has the ball. Pass it to Sepe. Sepe pass it to Soriano. For the shot. And that concludes para sa ating exciting na juniors team. 32-21. Lagahino for the shot. Short. Pass it to jersey number 2, Soriano. From the side, Enriquez. Short. Pass it to Soriano. Soriano for the attempt. Short.